Welcome to Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. Imagine a cascade plunging an incredible 979 meters, that's over 3,200 feet straight down from the colossal Auyán-tepui mountain, hidden deep in the lush Canaima National Park. This natural wonder is truly a sight to behold. The local Pemon people call it Kerepakupai Merú, which beautifully translates to waterfall of the deepest place. It's a spiritual heart of the Gran Sabana region, where misty rainbows dance in the air, creating a truly magical atmosphere. The falls got their international name from aviator Jimmie Angel, who flew over them back in 1933. Whether you see it from a plane or journey up the river, Angel Falls is a powerful reminder of nature's raw beauty and grandeur. Thanks for watching. If you love exploring the world's wonders with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.